If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic, various types of insurance losses. Right now this is the second load of vehicles coming in for the day. It's about 5 p.m. First car on the bottom there is a 2020 Lexus UX250. We got a 65 Ford Mustang, a 2020 Land Rover Velar, a 2020 Land Rover Discovery, 2018 GMC Canyon Denali, 2019 BMW 750 Xi, 2020 Lincoln Nautilus, and on top there, 2018 Lexus RX 450 Hybrid. We're going to unload the vehicles, post the photos on our website, prices, details, title types. They'll be on our website soon. Thanks for watching.